I know we were saying that if I deleted all my products, I'd have a higher sell-through rate. Do you think it matters that much?
eBay says it matters.
No, but like how much? Would I make more money? Like would I double whatever I'm making if I deleted like all but the 200 products that sell?
That's what eBay says.
So should I try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Does it have like a better time to bulk list or to product substitute? Like, should I do it like in the morning in the US market or
I
there's
don't
no?
think so. I personally don't think so.
Yeah, okay.
The impressions are up 10%. Sales up 100% with 10% impressions. Wow. That's the difference between product substitution listings and bulk listings. Because if you think about that, you only getting 10% more impressions, but a lot more people clicking and buying.
Okay, I see.
What do you think about his sales, apple pie?
Good stuff.
Yeah, it's increasing, but I'm not yet at the 1,000 daily. Like, my goal is the 1,000 daily, then it will be 2,000. But now, yeah.
Do you think, Mark, I know we were saying that if I deleted all my products, I'd have a higher sell-through rate. Do you think it matters that much?
eBay says it matters.
No, but like how much? Would I make more money? Like would I double whatever I'm making if I deleted like all but the 200 products that sell?
That's what eBay says.
So should I try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
So Oliver, you understand what he said?
By pruning?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
But
Wait.
do you think if you prune, you would get more sales, Oliver?
Since I'm doing it, like I get more sales. But I don't know, it's a mix of product substitution, bulk listing, pruning. I think like that's how to
I mean,
like
this is
get.
the biggest test of pruning. If I do this and it works, like
Yeah.
And I had a question. Does it have like a better time to bulk list or to product substitute? Like, should I do it like in the morning in the US market or
I
there's
don't
no?
think so. I personally don't think so.
Yeah, okay, gotcha.
So apple pie, what's the most you have you sold and how much do you think Oliver could sell in a month at this rate?
I don't really know.
I'm trying to get your reaction for YouTube.
I think he can do whatever he sets his mind to.
That's such a corny response.
Should I delete them or is there like a good way to archive the listings so I can add them back
Delete
later?
them.
Just straight delete?
Yes.
Okay.
And what is that, Oliver? Go back up? Down with your seller standard.
About
With
standard.
the tracking numbers.
Yeah, that is down. That is down.
So it should be going up now.
Yeah, it's going up now, slowly.
Well, I'm back to on track to be above standard or above top seller.
Right.
I said it would fix itself. It did.
But you're not using tracker what?
I don't need to.
Are you having any problems with tracker, but Oliver?
It's fine, bro. Like it's working well. Like I'm not wasting time by uploading my things and yeah.
Okay.
Before I had some problems with Aqualine, but now I'm using VidiTrack and it's much better.
Right. Yeah. That's why. Because when they switched to VD track, the communication wasn't like clear. It just kind of like changed in the background. And go to your traffic, go to performance and traffic. Yeah. Right. Yeah. You're getting 250,000 a day.
Yeah, bro, it has increased a lot. Like
Because you
if I
might look
compare
at November 22nd. What was that at? Like
it was,
150,000?
but like if we were doing like in the past 30 days, like so yeah, like the past 2 days were crazy. But like yesterday I had a lot of traffics, but I haven't had like much sales also. Like it was just normal day. Like
Right. Okay. But all the numbers look good. The impressions are up 10%. Sales up 100% with 10% impressions. Wow. That's the difference between product substitution listings and bulk listings.
hmm.
Because if you think about that, you're only getting 10% more impressions, but a lot more people clicking and buying.
Okay, I see.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. I got what you mean.
Because before you weren't doing a lot of product substitution, right?
Doing
Like a
maybe like
month
once
ago.
a week. Yeah, maybe once a week or even less, like maybe once or 2 week. Like
Right. Okay.
yeah, like before like this restriction, like I was really like kind of discouraged, like because I wasn't making enough money to live from it, and it was like a pain in the ass with the cash flow and everything. But now that I passed this fucking restriction, it's fine.
It clearly made a big difference.
Yeah, bro.
I think that should be the beginning of the video. Now I pass this fucking restriction. People
Okay.
can
I just deleted like 80% of my listings, maybe more.
good job.
I have a total of 488 listings now.
Right, perfect.
Oh wait, I can delete more. Hold up.
And what are you using to delete it?
My hands.
Oh, you manually doing it?
Yeah, I don't know how the ecom sniper setting works, like what it does, so I'm not using it. It's like very poorly labeled. It's actually not that poorly labeled. I just opened it. It's doing exactly what I'm doing.
You are such a brat.
Okay, so now I only have the 200 or the 600 products that have the 400 products, sorry, 419 that have ever sold. I've only sold 419 products before, individual products. Is the only items on the store now.
Right, and if you haven't listed for 4 months, if you only had those items for maybe 2 months, you might have sold more. And apple pie disappears.
Update your account with tax verification number to avoid a possible $500 fine from CRA.
I need to head out.
That's a Canadian thing.
I have to head out.
All right, apple pie. All right, guys, like the video, subscribe. Later.